Hey guys, today we're going to look at swapping the lamp in everyone's favorite beam fixture, the Clay Paky Sharpy. First, let's check how many hours are on this lamp. This information can be found in the information menu. I'm going to swap this Sharpy with a Phillips Platinum 5R lamp. You can also use an Osram Sirius 190 lamp. With the head covers removed, tilt the fixture so the lamp fan points upwards. Proceed to unscrew the two catch screws that hold this fan on. Disconnect the bus and remove the fan. The lamp is now exposed. To remove it, push down and tilt backwards. Be sure to unplug the lamp wires. This lamp is held in place by a metal frame that holds the rim of the lamp. To reinstall, angle the lamp so the bottom of the rim of the lamp enters the frame first, then push down and insert it so the top of the rim enters the frame. Plug your lamp wires in and reinstall your fan. Be sure to plug the bus back in. Once your fixture is powered up, reset your lamp hour counter. Pretty painless, right? This process is going to be basically the same for the Sharpy wash as well. However, the lamp is going to be different. Be sure you install the correct lamp in the correct fixture. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and make sure you subscribe.